All right, modifiers this week are double negatives. In math, two negatives make a positive. In English, that's not the case. Never use a double negative or two negative words in the same clause. Use only one negative word to express a negative idea. And remember that adverbs like barely, hardly, and scarcely are also considered negative words. So I've got a bunch of examples here for you that I'm going to show you that you're going to look for, and then I'll show you how you're going to do your little exercise today. This is an incorrect sentence. I didn't buy no magazines. That means you bought some magazines. We've already got didn't. That's a negative. We don't need the word no as well. To correct that sentence, you would say, I didn't buy any magazines. Here's another incorrect sentence. Kelly never did nothing to help Fiona. No. Kelly never did anything to help Fiona. Never and nothing, both negative. Can't be in the same sentence together. This next sentence reminds me of that new smash single, Driver's License. See if you can pick up on it. I didn't tell no one about the hidden treasure. If you didn't tell no one, you told somebody. So it's, I didn't tell anyone about the hidden treasure. Let me just see if I can play this bit for you. See if you can hear this. She's never felt this way for no one? That means she's felt that way for someone. She's never felt that way for anyone. So I didn't tell no one about the hidden treasure. I didn't tell anyone about the hidden treasure. And Olivia, you've never felt that way for anyone. Not no one, dear. Next sentence up says, I didn't talk to nobody at the party. That means you talked to somebody. So we're going to fix that by saying, I didn't talk to anybody at the party. Couple more here. Didn't you see your cousins at Christmas? Don't start the sentence out with didn't. Say, did you see your cousins at Christmas? That's what you're asking after all. And finally, there isn't barely any blood on you. That actually is, there is barely any blood on you, not isn't barely. You're just making two negatives and it doesn't make sense. So what are you going to do for this exercise? If a sentence doesn't have a double negative, you're going to write the word correct. So look at how you spell it, C-O-R-R-E-C-T. If the sentence has a double negative, you need to rewrite that sentence correctly. And I'm going to remind you here that spelling, proper capitalization, and punctuation all count. All right, this grades itself because the correct answer is already in there. So it has to be exactly right. Now you get as many chances as you want to do this, but you might as well get it right. So an example, I don't get no respect. You would type your answer in as, I don't get any respect. Or if it's perfect, if it says something like, I didn't fail any classes this trimester, you just write the word correct. And congratulations to you. So let me show you how this works. Real simple. I don't remember nobody like that. I'll tell you now that sentence isn't correct. I'm not going to type it out here for you, but it's I don't remember anybody like that. And you can see there's only 10 sentences to get right. Nope, sorry, 50. So do the best you can on those. And again, take it as many times as you like. And good luck.